Alright, what's going on, guys? We got a couple mods for the 21 WRX today. We got rear spats, we got Subi Speed JDM fog light bezels, new training mount with new bushings, and Subi Speed Evolution taillights. Yeah, we also got a new front lip as well.
Nice to be in orbit.
Alright, so we just got everything put on the car. Now we're gonna go head to the car wash. So the guys are here. We're gonna wash the cars and we're gonna show you guys what we did. Oh, I popped out.
Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Hold on, I need a light real quick to show my handsome face. Okay, so today is my first time trying Bubba and Carlos and Gabby say it's better than Chipotle. I don't really believe it, but here we go. I'm gonna give it like 1 or 2 bites to really get the feel for it. So here we go.
Not the kiss. Rate it 1 to 10.
I don't even need 2 bites. That shit is fire. Oh, that salsa is kicking me in the back of the throat a little bit. Oh, that's great.
1 to 10.
I give Chipotle like a 6. This is gonna be like a 9. This is great.
Is this mine? Just a shred of chicken. That's what
What happened here, buddy? Squirrel must got over here or something. Silly guys.
Bob.
Alright guys, that concludes the video on Ariel's WRX. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.